Pristine Farm Bird Nest chassis, and the original is still long.
I became more energetic and also I fall sick lesser.
I also can feel that my pores get smaller.
I should say it tastes really good, so I will recommend it to everyone.
This is definitely your choice. I've been taking Pristine Farm Bird Nest for 4 weeks.
I tasted it, it's very nice. I can taste the authentic bird nest taste and also it's not very sweet.
I feel that their bird nest is quite value for money and their service is quite good and prompt.
I get to choose the type of ingredients I want inside my bird nest, and best of all, it is pre-cooked, so it is actually much easier to consume.
They always maintain their standard by delivering warm and delicious bird nests.
There's many good and accurate reviews on their Instagram page where I feel that it's very good, it's very trustable.